Hi, I'm Jane Christensen and I'm CEO and founder of Omni Bioceutical Innovations. I want to talk to you today about simplicity in skincare. And we have a kit that really provides just 3 top products that you can use to boost your skin. First of all, one of the most important things is to be sure that you effectively cleanse your skin without destroying the biome, supporting the skin barrier and the pH. So our biome boosting cleanser is really one of those best products. The next thing that you would want to add to that after your cleansing would be our Omni Restorative Facial Serum. It is probably the #1 most ordered product from our Omni collection. It is a combination of targeted growth factors that are key signaling proteins that help the regeneration and cellular turnover in your skin so that you get that great youthful glow. And finally, for those really tough weeks or just the skin that's just been brutalized, I'll tell you the Omni Boost mask is probably one of those best magic wands in a bag. These 3 products make your life simple and make your skin glow.